As this film was made in an Olympic year, stimulus used in this section is sport and the pressure to win. A still image is a frozen moment in time. It can be used to highlight a significant moment in a play, story, or event. Here the group are making a still image representing the end of a sprint race. A series of still images can be captured on digital cameras. The resulting set can be ordered to make a story and speech bubbles can be added. This can develop into script writing. In freeze-frame technique, a series of still images are used to make a story. The group will move from one image to the next without making any attempt to perform between the images. Here the group make images to show the warm-up, starting positions, the race, the finish line, the race is over, in cross-cutting, the order of the frames is deliberately mixed. Sometimes a new order of frames can create a new storyline. A key point in the story is stopped so the characters can express their feelings at that moment. Here the group are using captions, short phrases or single words.
Pain! Success! Faster! Stretch!
These can be spoken or written on cards. Another way of marking the moment is for one person, not necessarily in the drama, to voice the inner thoughts of the character.
Brad was expected to win this race, and he's not looking forward to telling everyone why he lost. Lucy has trained for 3 years for this, and she's absolutely gutted that she didn't win. Tim was considering taking drugs to enhance his performance, but he didn't, and now he regrets not doing that.
This can also be used after a section of dialogue, to show what characters are really thinking.
Hey, hard luck, you nearly had me there for a minute.
Yeah, congratulations.
Lucy here can't stand Gail. Ever since she first won that race in the junior sports day in year 3, she couldn't be more embarrassed to lose this one too.
Gail hates Lucy. She's really, really pleased when she's beaten her.
Relationship mapping uses the position of characters on stage, the distances between them, and the posture of one character towards another to illustrate their relationships. Each character in turn takes a central focal position and the others take up positions around according to the way they relate to the character in focus. In this example, the athlete, in green, is held close by her parents to the right of the picture. Her coach in white seems disappointed by being further away and turning his back on the athlete. Another athlete behind seems distant, almost hiding, but watching. The second map puts the coach at the central focus. The athlete in green is close, but the other athlete seems to want to be close. The parents are further away and look unsure. A character walks slowly down an alley. On one side of the alley, points of view are expressed to perceive one course of action, and on the other side, another view is expressed. These views can be short phrases or single words. In this example, the athlete hears points of view which support taking performance-enhancing drugs, and those on the other side which support an honest approach to sport.
You're good enough to do this without drugs.
They can't detect the new drugs.
No one can take an honest medal away.
Everyone else is doing it. Be a real winner.
At the end, the character who has walked down the alley should have an idea of the arguments for and against a course of action. Some may stand out for the character. In an essence machine, a group of people put the arguments for a particular course of action into a mechanical format, which delivers the statements as a coordinated pattern. An honest machine.
True winner. True winner. True winner. True winner.
Hold your head
True winner.
high.
True
Hold
winner.
your head
True
high.
winner. Hero.
Hold your
True
head
winner.
high.
Hero.
Hold your head
Hero.
high.
True winner.
Hold
Hero.
your head
Hero.
high.
Clear,
Hero.
conscience.
True winner.
Clear,
Hero.
conscience.
Hero.
Winner, clear.
Forever.
Hero.
Winner.
Hero.
Forever.
Hero.
You can do it.
Hero.
Forever.
True winner.
Winner.
You can do
Forever.
it.
Winner. Forever.
You can do it.
Winner.
Hero.
Forever.
You can do it.
Winner.
Clear,
Forever.
You can do it.
Winner.
clear.
Forever.
You can do it.
Winner.
Clear.
Forever.
You can do it.
Winner.
Hero.
Forever.
You can do it.
Winner. Forever.
Clear.
Winner. Forever.
You can do it.
Clear.
Winner. Forever.
You can do it.
Winner.
Clear.
Forever.
You can do it.
A cheat machine.
It's so easy. It's so easy.
Winner.
It's so
Forever.
easy.
Winner.
It's
Forever.
so easy.
Winner.
You'll be on the TV.
Forever.
It's so easy.
Winner.
Be on the TV.
Forever.
It's so
Winner.
easy.
You'll be on the
Forever.
TV.
Money.
Money.
So
Winner.
easy.
Forever.
Money.
Winner.
So easy.
Forever.
You'll be on the
Money.
TV.
Winner.
So easy.
Forever.
Money.
Winner.
It's so
Forever.
easy.
Money. Winner.
It's so
Forever.
easy.
Money. Winner. Forever.
So easy.
Winner. Forever.
So
Winner.
easy.
Forever.
Money. So
Winner.
easy.
Forever.
Money.
Winner.
So easy.
Forever.
Money.
Winner.
So easy.
Forever.
Money.
Winner.
So easy.
The simplest definition of improvisation is make it up as you go along. An improvisation is not planned in advance. It works if participants behave as if they are the characters they are portraying. This will apply to the voice and the posture of the character. It will also apply to the attitudes the character holds. To begin an improvisation, the participants need to know who the character is, where the character is, what motivates the character, what, if any, is the relationship with the other characters.
You alright there?
How'd I do, Coach?
Yeah, not too bad, not too bad.
I think I can really get it this time.
Yeah, you're doing well, you're doing well. Just one little thing, you're not really getting that 1 second faster you gotta be.
I can do it. I just got to push.
Yeah, but you're a second behind the leader at the moment, so if you just you need something to just push you and that. don't
I
you?
am. I'm going to.
Yeah.
I just push that a little harder.
Do some sit-ups. But I was thinking that maybe we should try something different. We've tried your diet, haven't we? And we've tried your motivation and that, but you're not really getting there, are you?
What do you mean? I'm doing fine.
Yeah, I know, but maybe if you just did something to give you that edge. Just take something. You've done your drugs test, so
I'm
it
not
won't show up.
taking drugs.
Yeah, but you've done your test. It won't show up anywhere, will it?
I want to win on my own.
Yeah, but you're not. You're 1 second behind at the moment.
I
Think.
can do it.
Yeah, all your friends and family are going to be there. They're going to see you lose the way you're going.
Yeah, well, I don't want to see them lose, but I don't want them to see me win when I'm taking drugs.
Yeah, but think of the money you get as well.
Well, maybe I don't want to win if I'm taking something.
Everyone's come see you, the local press, everybody, and you're going to go and lose. Do you want that?
Well, no, but...
Forum theatre, when used as an exploratory technique, is when observers in the group can stop the action of an improvisation and make changes. The key to the changes is to ask the question, what if, and see what happens under different circumstances.
Oh, well done. Good job there. Doing
Thanks,
well.
Coach. I think I can really take it this time.
Yeah, you're doing well. You're a couple of seconds short of the winner at the moment, though.
That's okay, though. I'll just push it.
Yeah, I know, but go down a sec. We've tried all the drugs and that, haven't we? And we've tried our best with things, the natural supplements and the
Yes,
diets and that. But you're not really getting the edge at the moment. You need something to really, really put you ahead of everybody else.
Well, I'll just try harder.
Yeah, but you're not getting the motivation.
What are you suggesting?
Well, there's drugs you can take now, and you can take them. If you've done your drugs test, if they do you one afterwards, you'll be
I
alright.
can't take drugs.
Stop. Can we introduce a sponsor from a company who's going to sponsor this athlete?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay.
Hi, good afternoon. My company's looking for a young athlete to sponsor, and we've heard about you. We just wondered. I mean, obviously, our deal would be that we pay for everything for you, basically. So transport to all your events. We
Everything?
pay medical costs. Yep, and we'll pay you. So you'll become a full-time athlete.
There you are.
But
Of course, we'd expect you to win. That would be.
So you have to win at all costs.
Stop. Can I add some information? There's a new drug that can't be detected.
My company's got recent news that there's actually a new drug that can't be detected by the current drug testers. So
That'll be alright, just take a bit of that, you win, get the deal.
Stop. Yeah. Is it okay if we go back to the beginning and this time swap roles so that you're actually the one that's against drugs, just to see how it changes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, well done there, that was a good job you did there. You did
Thanks,
really well,
Coach.
you did really well. I reckon you can get that a little bit faster. I think you'll be able to do it, just motivate.
Yeah, I just need something to get me there.
Yeah, just think about your friends and family, they're all going to be there to support you. Just think
Yeah,
about
that's what I want to win.
Yeah.
That's why.
Just
I think there's maybe something that I could maybe take to like.
No, you
help
don't
me
need
with
that. You're going to be a role model back home. If you get that little edge on you and the motivation, you can be the role model for our kids everywhere.
Yeah, but they won't know, will they?
Think about what you're saying.
Hiya, sorry, I'm from a company and we're looking to sponsor a young athlete. We just wondered whether you'd be interested. I mean, we pay for everything, medical cost, transport. I mean, you become a full-time athlete.
Oh my god, that'd be
Uh,
amazing.
But our underlying thing is that you must win because obviously our company must look good.
Obviously.
Wow.
Uh,
Well, she's
I
getting
was-
better. She's getting that 1
But
minute
we-
edge.
I mean, we do know that you're a little bit under the leader.
Yeah, but she'd get that with the motivation and the adrenaline of the actual
Well, there is
main race
actually
and that.
a drug at the moment that
See?
that can.
Good. Yeah, I don't think she's good. She wants to be a role model. She's got people looking.
Well, she'll be a
at
role
her.
model if she wins, surely.
Yeah, but she won't if she's cheated and got through unnecessarily.
People aren't going to know. They can't detect this drug.
Yeah, but what happens if they find out a new blood test or a new way of finding it?
Well, then she'll stop taking the drug.
Yeah, but by then she'll already be caught and her name will be just mud around the country.
In this technique, one or more persons are asked to improvise as if they have specialist knowledge or information about a topic. In this example, the expert is in charge of the body which is responsible for testing athletes to see if they have taken any banned substances.
So, how many athletes these days do take drugs?
Well, it's difficult to say. We are starting to crack down on the numbers, so they are getting the message that we will find them.
What happens to athletes if they are caught taking drugs?
Well, standard procedure is that we hand them over to the necessary authorities who will then take it upon themselves to do whatever they see fit. Normally they will be banned from that sport.
And how do you test for drugs?
The standard way of testing for the drugs is to take a small blood sample. We take that back to the laboratory and our highly specialised equipment can detect the smallest amount of any banned substance.